According to reports, a massive earthquake off Indonesia's west coast triggered tsunami fears across the Indian Ocean, sending residents in coastal cities fleeing to higher ground in cars and on the back of motorcycles, according to reports. It was said a strong aftershock nearly 3 hours later sparked a new wave of panic. Reports say Indonesia's government responded by issuing a fresh tsunami warning. According to reports, the U.S. Geological Survey said the first 8.6 magnitude quake was centered 20 miles, 33 kilometers beneath the ocean floor, around 260 miles, 434 kilometers. According to reports, that prompted the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center in Hawaii to issue a tsunami watch for Indonesia, Australia, and other Indian islands. Breaking internet radio news. Indonesia earthquake. Tsunami warning issued. You hear it here. First internet radio blog.